Hi folks, welcome back to S.T.C. Travel. Today we're in the Northern Territory of Australia. We'll be doing the Kings Canyon Rim Walk. Takes about 3.5 to 4 hours. It is quite taxing. You do need a medium level of fitness. Make sure you take some water with you. We did visit in the colder months and surprisingly we had rain. As you can see, we were all rugged up for this walk. By the end of it, the jackets had come off. It was absolutely spectacular. I must say, by the time I got to the top, just at the start of the walk, I needed a breather. After that, it was all about taking in the views. It's an absolutely amazing place, and after we visited Kings Canyon, we went to Standley Chasm. You do need good walking shoes, as there is a lot of walking over loose rocks and dirt. Take a stick or a walking stick, it might help you at certain points. The walk into Standley Chasm can be just as hard as the King Canyon walk, but once you're inside, it was amazing. We had rainfall that day, and it did make the Standley Chasm even more spectacular. You stood there, you looked up, and you could just see the rain falling down through. It was an amazing trip. Hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy my trip here. Love to get back to the Northern Territory. Take your time, and if you can get up there, go. It is amazing. Anyway, take care, enjoy the video. We'll see you soon.